I would just say to that, as a company, one of the things we often talk about is where should we innovate? Because there is, we are people who like to look for problems and try to solve them, but not every problem is under the scope of Layer's remit. And so we'll talk about that. Is there a software tool that we can buy that solves the problem we're trying to solve as part of our tech stack, or should we try to build something? And I think that's also a really important piece of self-discipline. My view is, if I can buy it from you and not have to create any innovation, I would love to do that so that I can focus my innovative energy in a narrow area.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I like that, because again, you can, but if you build everything from scratch, right? That will take you off the focus of what your company goal is in a few things sometimes.
Exactly.
That can happen.
If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.